So how to create a table in CMD? कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट में SQL रन करना है. So अगर इंस्टॉल है सब कुछ तो SQL plus then after this last successful login time. Okay, so here we have to write, but you can write uh, in block letter or in small, no problem. Create table and table का name. So I have to remember the table that I not created, table name. So I'm creating Blackpink. Okay, something interesting. Blackpink member. Okay, so debut year. Here and क्योंकि int में रहेगा, so you can write int or you can use number also and set size 5 and debut year to date members, no it is not, name, member name small ही लेते हैं क्योंकि सब में small ले रहे हैं. तो member, spelling of member is right, member name and then इसको या फिर हम कैर भी लिख सकते हैं और simply you can write char also. So 15 ज़्यादा साइज का अगर ज़रूरत नहीं है तो नहीं लेना, अगर ज़रूरत बाद में पड़ सकता है तो ज़्यादा साइज ले. Okay, then member name and now member specification. I hope I write the correct spelling. So एक बार varchar भी ले लेते हैं अगर किसी को डाउट है कि varchar अगर नहीं ले पाएंगे तो. So and bracket close and then okay, I have to check it all thing is good, right? Okay. Okay, why I write end there? बताओ, member name के साथ number थोड़ी है. Okay, table created and now you have to insert the value. So you can insert value into, like, first of all I will explain the normal insert into then table name, and after that values, because you have to insert the values. So first of all debut year, so in which year they debut, I think 2016. So double quoted नहीं, single quote रहेगा. Okay. And after that member name, first of all Jenny, I think first second Jenny spelling, I think this is correct. Okay, and second after that member name, member specification. I think C is a vocal, right? Vocal. Vocalist. Yeah, vocal. Vocalist. Okay. Insert हो गया values. So if you have to check it, then write simply select from select from black pink member. So here is the table. Debuter member name, member specification. So now I will teach you the second method. No teaching, but have share. So create now insert, right. If so, here you have to write debut here firstly, then percent m debut dy, then percent m member name mm, short form. Write it in short form that you can understand the meaning of this short form. So member specification. Okay, then close the bracket and write the enter the value. Okay, okay, I have used 2016 symbol code, but you can without single code it will be run. It will run. Member name. Jiso, and I think C is visual. Okay, and okay, row is created, and you can see it. Okay, debuter member name and member specification, right? And this is the way to insert the value. And if you have to drop the table, then drop and drop table and table name लिख दो, drop हो जाएगा. And sometime in same day, so then you again open the again another day you open CMD. Then sometimes it occurs that the previously the table you made was not shown. Like when you write this select from this table or that table, that it will not shown. So for that you have to exit from this database, so that it's just like login or log out. So for security purpose, you have to exit it and then close them. And I have also SQL data developer. SQL, here it is. And the second video I will talk about it, how to run queries in SQL developer. So bye.